Basic techniques, bespoke template considerations. To start off with, we need to start thinking about how much work will happen in our data set, in our data preparation, versus the amount of work that would happen within Tableau. So let us have another look at our end product and talk through how we can design this. So back with our blueprint, there's a few things that I want to point out. Imagine if you're given this and asked to reproduce it. What can you think about? Initially, you could say that this is a series of lines. Some are thicker, some are thinner. That's good. We have two potential types. We have an item, which you can see the big bold blocks, and we have links, lines that go from point A to point B. So that's interesting. Also, as we're thinking about templates, what exactly are we drawing? Well, if you think about our X and Y axis, we basically have multiple lines. It has a start and a finish, and potentially we can draw the line in between. The key thing here is to think about is potentially in our data set, we can say analytic strategy or item 1. What is the starting point and what is the end point? And then draw that line. We could do it for all of our big items. That's quite simple. We could do that. Just hard code X and Y and bang, you're going. But then we have the curve. Again, we want a template to have the same method for drawing the curve as you do for drawing the line. So we can't just draw a single straight line. Potentially we have to draw individual points. So therefore, with the items, we just have loads of individual points that's in a straight line. With our links, we can apply some mathematics to make them curved if necessary. But we can start thinking about how we can start drawing our data visualization. Two parts in principle will be the items and the links. Let's actually start off by thinking about drawing and how we can draw our items using loads of different points. Then we could add our links and we can curve them using some interesting maths. So in the next lesson, we are going to go through data densification and drawing, and we will lay the groundwork. See you in the next lesson.